Yes, ma'am. When I came to you, I just told you that I am facing a couple of problems with her speaking on the stage, which is like has improved and all. I would really want her elder sister to say something about it because she's the one who really works hard on her.
Okay, please.
No, I was actually really glad, like with her speech also, and then impromptu one, the first one as well, that there was like a comedic element to it as well, because she's really good at it too. So like, and even with the speech about Ellen, I think she was really good at like mimicking the actions and everything. So yeah, it was really
Yeah,
good.
one more thing I want to add. So Arshia participated last time in India in this IDL.
Yeah,
Right? She
IDL.
was selected on the first round, which was the online round. We went to Mumbai for this MET. Which you know that was IIT Mumbai for the final. But then her body language on the stage was really, I mean, probably, of course, it was a very big stage for her and a very new people around and everything. So her confidence was a bit shaken. Though she knew the speech, she spoke very well, but her confidence was a bit low. But today it was like outstanding. Thank you so much, Khushbu ma'am. This is my second workshop with you.
I think she has worked as a person. She has a tendency to be everywhere. Her body wants to be everywhere,
Absolutely.
and that is an inherent pattern in most of the human beings.
Right.
Earlier, I was also like every time, because I have curls, so I was always used to do this. Till college, I had this tendency. When I got into university and I got into theatre, I worked on it. So people have these tendencies, so, which I feel this show, in comparison to the earlier one which she did with me, she has worked on her body tremendously, and definitely voice as well. So big round of applause for her. आप शायद वंश के घर से वंश मॉम सॉरी yes ma'am, what would you like to speak for? Sorry? Oh, thank you so much. I think it's all his hard work. He has worked very hard.
I also don't work on him at all. Whatever he has done himself.
Yeah, he's a very hardworking boy. So yeah. Anything else?
Thanks.
You are his elder brother. Yes. I'm so sorry. Last time his elder brother came, so I just got confused.
I'm still wondering how you spoke, I think, for 10 minutes.
Yeah, J.K. Rowling was for 12 minutes. It was a 12-minute speech. He forgot in between little bit, so but it came down to 11 minutes.
We didn't come to that, he forgot.
I just told her that it's a fantastic workshop. I think Shlok, my elder son, you should also involve in this activity to him also. So fantastic.
Thank you.
Lots of hard work on her end.
Rida's mom.
It's all your effort and hers, I think, a little. I think she's been really lax this time, but it's been really good. What I observed was that it's not really the content. So all of them, when they picked up their impromptu topics, I'm sure all of them didn't have the right content or whatever their brain process. But the way they spoke, the way they put it all together, all that was really fantastic. You're always good, very, very hardworking. And also, I think the kids learn from you and they work hard. So that's really nice.
I think she has become very confident with content making. And today for impromptu, everybody followed the structure. There was opinion, there was reason, there was example, and there was conclusion. So they all followed the structure, and she did a phenomenal job memorizing the speech. Even at the last moment, she aced it. So, but I feel very proud of her. So, congratulations to her.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, this time it was hard for us, you know that, because Dhairya just wanted to have fun this time. And even after scolding him, I told you calmly, loudly, explaining him, he was just not getting serious about it. And then I think last week I got very upset with him, and I told him, "Wait, now it's all on you, nothing on me." Then he was like, "Mama, I have an idea. Why? Why don't you give me fun? The process." I cannot read that for you. Then he was like, why don't you gamify everything? Why don't you start giving me stars on my behavior like you used to give me, and then I will improve. And I was like, okay, I'll start doing it. You gamify everything. Gamify my timetable also. And I was like, okay, it's all on you. But last week he worked hard because he took it seriously, and I think he performed very well.
He has worked, improved tremendously on his body language and eye. I'm so happy that he has worked on his eye movement, which I will give 10 on 10 to him. Earlier his eyes were always on the ants who were marching on the floor. The audience were always his ants and never the real human. But that he has achieved tremendously, and he has understood impromptu content making really well. Today, all kids got nervous after seeing the real audience when it came to impromptu, but they all aced it. They all did very good job, and even in last week, he has done good work. So imagine in 3 months if you work, where will you be?
Where will you be? Yes, that's what I keep telling you.
You are actually Oxford League material. You can go for Oxford debating, which happens once in a year in India. So you are one of those students. So you need to work is just give 10-15 minutes daily. My program is such where you only need to give 15 minutes daily. Apart from that, even the dumbest student, he gives 15 minutes daily. You will ace it. So you have a big potential in you, and I want you to polish it and ace it. So please, good luck. Riyansh, mom.
I think it is a lot of hard work that has gone into this, and I really want to congratulate all of them for coming up so confidently today. I mean, learning these lengthy speeches are amazing. And I really liked, how they were throwing the projections on the words while they were speaking and projecting themselves like, those speakers themselves. And the research based, I really loved that, how they researched and brought that, facts and all that. And impromptu is amazing because that basically helped them to increase their knowledge base. So for Rihansh, I really feel that, impromptu is something that he probably did not go so well. Probably I think he has to work, but I really liked that, initially from initial month, again same as Dharesh, initially few months he was also not serious, but today, he did well with the speech that I liked. Probably would like to see more progress, and, under your guidance, would like to see more.
In fact, all of them have done really what they've done with me in classes, both online and offline, and today what they have surprised me in impromptu.